this video, we're going to look at the process of buying a home while on active duty to see if it's right for you. Buying a home is a huge life decision and is not one to make lightly. The right decision for you is going to depend on your individual situation. Many people avoid buying while they're still on active duty because they know they are going to eventually be stationed somewhere else. However, if you like the area that you're in now and you'll be living there for at least a year, buying a home can now actually be a great investment. When making this decision, start by thinking about the area you are currently stationed in. Is it somewhere you could see yourself retiring or moving back to later in life? Do you have friends and family in the area? What's the current market like? Depending on the state of the local real estate market, it often makes sense to buy a home sooner rather than later so it can appreciate in value over time. This is especially true if you know that you're going to be in the area for at least 1 year. If you are relocating after that point, you can rent out the property for extra passive income until you move back to the area. Finally, you want to consider home maintenance before you make a purchase. When you're renting, your landlord is on the hook for maintenance issues. When you own the home, repairs and maintenance are your responsibility. This can be a pro or con for you. Depending on your situation, if you have a very busy schedule, you may not have time to handle maintenance issues on your own. However, many people like maintenance themselves because they can have more control and keep their house in great condition. Benefits of buying a home while on active duty. There are many benefits to buying a home while you're still on active duty. Mortgage payments are often cheaper than rent payments. This is especially true if you're living in an area with a low housing supply. Buying a house sooner can save you money in the long run, and you can get all the benefits of home ownership as well. Keep in mind that you can apply for BAH for your mortgage payments, and that most active duty military members will qualify for VA loans. Many people think buying a home is going to be too expensive for them, but it isn't always the case for active duty military. When you own your home, you can customize it to suit your personal taste. While there are plenty of great military rentals out there, they don't give you flexibility when it comes to renovations or landscaping. When you own your own home, you can get creative and really make it suit your unique taste. Even if you're deployed, you can continue to pay off your home, knowing that you eventually have a comfortable place to retire. In the meantime, you can rent out the property to generate monthly income. VA loans for active duty military. When you're buying a home as an active duty military member, chances are you're going to want to take out a VA loan. These loans are backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, and they often have a unique financial benefits that traditional mortgages don't have. For example, VA loans typically require no down payment or have very low down payment requirements. And they also have very low interest rates when compared to traditional mortgages. On top of that, you don't need private mortgage insurance and usually don't have to pay closing costs either. VA loans are available to active duty military and military veterans that have a minimum service requirements. VA loans are also available to National Guard and Reserve members and to surviving spouses of veterans. It's important to note that VA loans have occupancy requirements that you'll need to keep in mind when purchasing the home. Typically, you'll have 60 days from when you initially purchased the home to occupy it. In most cases, you'll need to live there for at least 1 year to fulfill the terms of the loan. However, each loan is different, as they are provided through a variety of banks and mortgage lenders around the country. If you're on active duty, I know it's a challenge being stationed where you're at. You have so many things going on in the world. Feel free to reach out to us. We can discuss different options regarding trying to buy a house while on active duty. It can be a lot easier. We'll make it seamless as best we can, but just weigh all your options and see if it's the right fit for you right now. I'll be happy to help.